Good afternoon, students. 11th Accountancy, lesson number 4, Ledger. Last class we all studied ledger account. Ledger means the ledger is the principles of account. It is very useful to business enterprise. The ledger account is namely personal, real and nominal accounts. The ledger is based on journal entry. The ledger account based on journal only. Directly opened in, do not open in ledger. Based on only in journal entry, ledger account. Okay, listen students. Today we are discuss about sum number 11. Some students your book is sum number 6. Give journal entry from the following transaction and post them to cash account and sales account. Listen students, you read 1 or 2 times, you read question. Prepare journal entry and following transaction and post them. Post them means what? Ledger. Post them means ledger. Them to cash account and sales account. First one, listen everybody, you this note it down your class work. Okay, do not write in rough note. Everybody you copy your class work only. August 10, sold goods, check received but not deposited. Second one, sold goods on credit to Gopi. Third one, received cash from Gopi. Listen students, sold goods and check received but not deposited. Check is received but not deposit in bank. You issued check means automatically your cash is what? Reduce only. Sold goods. Sold goods means sales. This check means received check. Received check means bank account DR to sales account. Cash account DR. No. Cash no. Listen students. Some students sold goods means automatic goods sold means receiving or receive only in cash. Some journal entry. But this entry sold goods and check received. Check means bank oriented contents means you write only in bank word. Check, ATM, credit card, debit card means you write what? Bank. First journal entry is bank account DR to sales account. Bank account DR to sales account CR. Next one, sold goods on credit to Gopi. Sold goods. Goods is Gopi. Gopi, that one person, Gopi, that person is incoming what? Goods. Gopi account DR, sales account CR. Gopi account DR, sales account CR. Listen students, everybody note it down. Second entry, Gopi account DR to sales account CR. Third question, received cash from Gopi. Received cash from Gopi. Listen students, received cash. Cash incoming from Gopi. Gopi, that person is pay. Received cash. Cash account DR. Gopi account. Gopi account only in cash reduce. Cash account DR to Gopi account CR. Listen students. Cash account DR. Cash account DR, Gopi account CR. Next, ledger. Listen students, ledger means you open some journal entry, you write single page. You write some pages is many gap means you leave it. You turn next new page. That new page is open one side DR, one side CR. Date, particulars, JF, amount. Date, particulars, JF, amount. Listen students. One side paper means two debit and credit columns. You write only in credit column. Second column you write amount. Second column only you write amount. Center page, ledger account. Next line, sales. Next line, cash account. First is ledger account. Next line, cash account. Listen students, first you write the sentence. Cash account. Your cash account means you identify only in cash word only you would identify. Listen students, cash account means you enter only in cash account word only you identify. Afterwards you write. First one, cash account. Only one entry only, cash account. Only one entry. That entry is date number 20. Cash account DR, Gopi account CR. Cash account DR, Gopi account CR. Cash account is how much? 12,000. You write downward, you write first cash is DR means DR side you write to sales account. Sorry, you write to Gopi account. You write Gopi account. How much Gopi account? 12,000. Okay, listen students. Next you write bank and sales account. Bank and sales account. This one indirectly word is bank means liquid cash. You write some word is bank or cash account first journal entry. That is bank account is DR means you write to sales account. How much? 30,000. Listen students, this entry you write what? Cash account. You write cash account. Cash account DR means you write to sales account 30,000. Okay, DR side you close. How much total is? 42,000. How much? 42,000. But CR side no one. No one is there. You write August 2013 31st by balance C by D. This side how much of total? 42,000. This side you write 42,000. You write 42,000. Same line. Listen students. Everybody you write same line only you write. One side up, one side down means your sum is wrong only. Double side even means only your sum is correct. Okay, next one, sales account. Sales. First entry one, bank or cash account DR. To sales account is to sales is which side? CR side. You write CR side. By cash account 30,000. By cash account 30,000. Next one, Gopi. Second date 14. Gopi account DR to sales account CR. Sales account CR means you write CR side. Gopi account 12,000. The total is how much? 30,000 plus 12,000, 42,000. Same total only. You write this side, DR side, no one entry. No one is there. You write to balance C by D is how much? Same 42,000. You write 42,000. Same line you enter means that is the sum is correct only. Listen students, same method only, but first one only you write bank or cash account DR to sales account. Okay, listen students, very easy only. You clearly watch this video. Afterwards you enter your class work. Again one time I am telling journal entry. August 10 bank account or cash account DR to sales account CR. Second entry Gopi account DR to sales account CR. Next one cash account DR Gopi account CR. Date number 20. Listen students. Date number 20 cash account DR to Gopi account CR. Okay students. Next one some journal entry. Listen students, everybody write your classwork. These two sums. Okay, listen students. Next one. Old book is 14, new book is sum number 8. Enter the following transaction in the book of Ganesan and post them into ledger. Listen students, some entries, some specifically this account only you write cash or sale. Ledger, post them ledger, cash and sales account, but not mention this line means post them into ledger means how many journal entries you write means that entry you write ledger account. You write ledger account. But this sum not mentioned in particular account. You write full ledger account you write. First I explain journal entry. Journal entry means you write first in this book of Ganesan journal entry you write date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Listen students, each and every sum you write corner page, sum number and page number you write must. Everybody you write compulsory this one. Next, the October 2017 account opened. First, date number 1. Started a business with cash. Third lesson also same entry. This type of entry. Each and every important journal entry. So many journal entries you write this a journal only. Started a business with cash means cash account DR. Listen everybody, note it down. Cash account DR. Capital account CR. Narration means conclusion bracket you write amount invest in business. Second journal, date number 5, deposit into bank 12,500. Deposit into bank means your cash is outgoing. Okay, deposit means your cash is outgoing. Bank account DR, cash account CR. Bank account DR, cash account CR. Next one, purchased furniture and payment by check. Purchased furniture and payment by check. Listen students, bank oriented word means you write compulsory bank account. One word is compulsory you write. Furniture, purchase furniture means which one is incoming? Which one is incoming? Furniture is incoming. Furniture is incoming means you incoming is DR, outgoing is CR. Incoming means DR means what? Furniture account DR to bank account. Furniture account DR to bank account CR. Next one, goods purchased for cash. Goods purchased for cash. Your cash is outgoing to pay some goods purchased. Your incoming is purchased account DR, cash account CR. Your cash is outgoing. Your cash is outgoing means CR. Incoming means DR, debit. Next one, sold goods to Vasu on credit. Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Sold goods means sell some goods in Vasu. Vasu means incoming. Vasu account, incoming account. Vasu account DR. Cash to sales account. Vasu account DR to sales account CR. Next one, goods worth 500 taken for personal use. Taken for personal use. You goods worth 500 you taken means you drawing. Goods worth 500 taken for personal use. You 500 rupees worth goods you purchased for personal use. Drawing account, listen students, some one or two entries you some mild changes only. This entry, drawing account DR, purchase account CR. Drawing account DR, purchase account is CR. Listen students, first one, everybody note it down. First one, cash account DR to capital account is CR. Second one, deposit into bank means bank account DR, cash account CR. Third one, purchased furniture and payment by check. Furniture account DR, bank account CR. Next one, goods purchased for cash. Purchase account DR, cash account to cash account CR. Next one, sold goods to Vasu on credit. Vasu account DR, sales account CR. Next one, goods worth 500 taken for personal use. You drawing, taken from means you draw some goods is incoming. Drawing account DR to purchase account CR. Drawing account DR you to purchase account CR. Listen students, journal entry you over means next you write ledger. How many ledger this sum? Cash account is reflected. Capital account, one capital account. Next one, bank account. Next one, furniture account. Next one, purchase account. Next one, Vasu account, sales account, drawing account. This sum is number of how many number of journal ledger? 8 ledger account you created in 8 ledger account. Okay students, listen students, sum number 6 you note it down your classwork. Next this sum you note it down your classwork in journal entry. You you no doubt means you write ledger account. Any doubt means next live class you tell doubt. I am clearing doubt. Listen students, this method of sum is very easy only. Some students is the way listen students, do not hurry and do not confuse. This is very easy only, this method of sum. Okay, you any doubt means you will ask live class. Okay, live class or anytime you call, I rectify the doubt. This is so many, totally 20 or 30 sums I explained this journal entry. Third lesson fully finished. Next fourth lesson illustration finished. Next book back sum. Okay, listen 1 or 2 times, you clearly watch this video. Okay students, next class we will discuss this sum ledger account. Okay, thank you students.